kaham te happy goria norok no jotono no tining ka goria palai mandin tong thok din norok ni biskang kisa ma mani karon ka kisa kok no saramu sungmani ka I just wanted to tell some few things regarding this situation, just 7 or 8 months left for 2023 election. So far away till now I have seen there are still few people who are in this dilemma. They are here to go or there to go. They are confused where to go. So I would like to little bit clarify them, saying that think about the present situation, think, and you can also think about the past situation, what happened all around, recall back about Madhab, where our people, 3 or 4 people were shot by guns by TSR Jawans, and remember those incidents that took place in Lake Chamani town areas where our people were boycotted selling vegetables, fruits, some other things, So after one party came here in this situation, after Bubagra came, everything will settle up. Slowly, gradually everything will settle up. So now those problems were all solved. I wanted to tell you something that now what I don't know what would I call them, freedom fighters, or I would call them politicians, or what would I call them, I do not know, but see, days have become modern. You cannot inspire people with fake promises, now. Jeng jotono saimano, jeng nugui tongo, Bubagra, muktang no bafai, borok bai kok safayo. Omo jotono bujika borok saimang ha biang kaham ya. Norong no bujika mo. Earlier many politicians were saying this, that, this will be done. I often witness in social media that till now some villages doesn't have proper water, proper sanitation, even proper houses. And I saw 2 or 3 days back that some phones were being charging in the jungle. They have connected with the hook line. So all these things, is it good to be seen, these things? I think this should not be happening more in future, So I would like to tell people, Joto Tiprasa rong please Bubagra no support Khaidi, Thansao Khaidi, Joto no ang koijawo, te norong no tam sanai te norok bujika mane si students rok nge Joto no bujijak, all students came to support Bubagra. They were all confirmed that I also know personally, you also know personally. So all of us support Bubagra. So there are still few people, I don't know what would I call them, in between which age they are doing some politics in what areas, Panchayat areas or not. So see this, you remember about one lady, right? One lady who took number of people to Delhi. They were wearing sacks without chappals, they were trimming their hairs. They protested so much. After that, where did the lady go? In some other places, I'm not mentioning the name, but I hope you all know. Norok jotono sina beri koroksa. Norok no telangka diliwo. Angsak baitang no malai kok saka thanglai rok bai. Borok sawo atoi nei rang rok najaka rok nei sawo 1500 da 2000 da amtoi malai jangang borok bai kok bu salaka tabu ati sing thang ke borok taitam khaina no. Don't trust anyone. Listen, don't trust anyone blindly. Je sakaron je sa borok khorok borok nofano khorok sa borok nofano trust ta khaji haino boni omonung mawai. Bo je sa jaga pathang mano he or she can leave anytime. Remember, even your shadow leaves you when you are in darkness. Manake chini borok ni sampli phano sing mona ko thanga ke no ya kari thango ai phano bubagra sawo कभी भी compromise नहीं करेगा. बुबाग्रा compromise खाया no bo chini bagi no fayo agi borok salayo puila puru agi ke borotong bubagra. Where was he after before? Where was he before? Long years back, where was he? So I would like to give them simple answer. Agi wo bubagra bo poritongo study khaitongo. Bubagra was studying, learning. So after that, he came. I'm pai phaiga blebo. Bon borong nai nani. Almost that simple. Tai 5, 6, 7, 8 months. Tai 8 months tongsu. Nok sai mang bus kango. Kotor election fight no. 2023 election. From Bubagra, no, please support Khaidi. Please support Bubagra. I would kindly request you all, please, I appeal, please come forward and support Bubagra. Jotono no hambai Tiprasa ayug lokthung, Bubagra ayug lokthung, jotono no dibar kaham.